Hello everyone, this is Hawk Mirex. After meeting with our mentor Alexander Young, we discussed the programming language we're gonna use. We were sure about using C++, but he recommended using HTML or C Sharp because it's a lot easier when it comes to displaying things. And we will try HTML first, and I already have C Sharp at work, so it's a great idea, we think, and we're gonna try that, see how it goes, and we might use HTML, but we need to decide and do more research about that. Now Hayden will talk next.
Hey guys, so as Will stated before, he talked to our project mentor, and with those new suggestions as far as using C Sharp or HTML, I decided to do some very intense research on how exactly all those would work out from start to finish. The only problem that we look at with doing the Bluetooth route is as far as communicating with the phone. In order to display that information, we wouldn't necessarily be able to pull it and then write code to show it up on screen. It's going to be a lot more involved than just that. Some of the options would be having to create a specific app on the phone and then using the Raspberry Pi to connect to that app and then display the information. And then as far as the HTML route goes, we would have to have an established Wi-Fi connection. And in order to set up that Wi-Fi connection, you have to have it wired to the main router to begin with, which might become a problem when it comes to demo day. So from here, we're going to move into looking at which option would be better for us and how to work around the miscellaneous problems that we have run into. And next, Caitlin is going to talk.
All right, so like what Hayden said before, we still got more research to do, but that's a good thing because we're doing weekly meetings, and we have been since school starts. So we're gonna meet every week, try coding, try playing around with it. Our first starting place is to try the HTML, see where we get there, and if we can use C Sharp or C+, depending what's going on, then we're gonna go down that route. But for right now, we're thinking HTML. Then time-wise, we're going to try and have our working code between late February and early March. So we have the rest of the March to finish building it and just testing and making sure it's going swimmingly and all our project is coming together nicely for demo day. Now I'm going to toss it over to Alex, who's going to talk about the budget and show us out.
All right, so we're just finalizing our budget, and as of right now, we have a two-way mirror costing $163. We have the TV found on Amazon, which costs $220. We also found the LED strips to go around the mirror, which is going to cost $15. The rest of the material for the framing, such as the wood and stuff, is going to roughly cost $100, which we plan to be reimbursed after we find out the total for that. Other small objects like the Bluetooth dongle and also the Raspberry Pi also going to be reimbursed. Total cost would be about $550, and as of right now, we're just about to send over the final papers to Jen and get everything approved. But as of that, we're ready to start building up and getting the hardware shipped. All right, see you next week.